getting the lamb ready for tomorrow. So it's been 22 hours in the sous vide, 142 degrees. But look at that. How does it smell? Smells pretty good. I'm gonna go sear this on the grill.
Yes.
And we'll see how well it cuts.
Wow.
How is it? Tender?
It's so good.
That's because this.
So good.
I don't know if that was.
I like it. So good.
I poured the juice of the meat, I strained it, and then I put a little bit of red wine Cabernet in to make a little bit of a sauce.
Okay, let's eat. Happy Easter, everyone. Christos, Anesti. Kalo, Pascha.